In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or archive records in Attio. First, open Attio and head to your home area. From here, we'll set up a simple space to keep archive contacts organized. Click the plus button to add a new list. In Attio, archiving is a soft action. It hides records from day-to-day views without erasing them from your database, so you can bring them back later. Deleting, by contrast, is permanent, so we'll handle both carefully. Choose Start from Scratch, then give your list a clear name such as Archived, Inactive, or Closed Records. Pick whatever matches your team's language and policies. When asked which object you're working with, choose People for this example. If you're managing other record types, the same approach applies. Rename your list if needed to keep things consistent, and then click Create List to finalize it. For the view, choose Kanban. Kanban shows your records as cards and columns, making it easy to see where each one stands at a glance, and to drag between statuses if you ever change your mind. Give the view a concise title that makes sense to your teammates. Next, create a new status attribute. This custom field powers your Kanban columns. Rename the attribute to something meaningful, like Record Status, so everyone understands its purpose, and click Confirm. Now let's add a person to archive. Click Add Person. Search for and select the contact you want to move out of active workflows, and then click Add to List. That contact now lives in your archived list, safely preserved but out of the way. If policies change, you can always move them back to an active view by updating their status or removing them from the archive list. If you truly need to erase a record, go to People and open the contact you want to delete. This approach also works for other record types. Click the three-dot menu in the top right and choose Delete Record. Remember, deletion removes the record and its related data from your workspace, so be sure you have the right permissions and that there's no compliance or reporting need for retention. Quick recap. We created an archive list, set up a Kanban view with a clear status attribute, added contacts to that archive, and then saw how to permanently delete a record when necessary. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.